नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Tanidar, Kotari, visitors, viewers, Kayakalpa Yoga participants, Diksha into Power Manifestation participants, E-Gurukul students, Kailasas, Nityananda Hindu University students, Kailasa TV, Hinduism Now TV, Enlighten app. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today, the second day of the Paramashivaratri Brahmotsavam, Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva and Nityanandeshwari Parashakti are gracing in Sarva Alankara, Amlana Mala, gracing in Swarna Rishabha Vaganam, in Adi Kailasa Nityananda Peetam. We now offer our worship at their feet.
Nityanandam. Today, on the second day of Mahaparamashivratri Brahmotsavam, Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva, Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti, and Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Paramashivam are gracing in the Sarvalankara with the Amlana Mala, gracing on the Swarnarshabha Vahana in the Adi Kailasa Nityananda Peetam. We now offer our worship at their feet. Atadhupaha Om Dhorasi Dhorvadhorvantam Dhorvatayosman Dhorvatitam Dhorvajam Vajam Dhorvamastvam Devanamasi Sastitamam Papritamam Dushtatamam Vanhitamam Devahutam Amritamasi Havirdanam Trigumhaswam Akhva Mitrasya Tvachaksha Preyakshemabhirma Sambhikta Matvahigum Dhishum Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashivaaya Namaha Dhupamaghapajami Om Uddīpa Svajata Vedo Pagninirritam Mama Pashokastamakhyamavaha Jivanam Sadisho Disha Manohigum Sijata Vedo Gamashvam Purusham Jagate Abhibradagna Agahi Shriyama Paripataya Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashivaaya Namaha Ekaharti Deepam Sandarshayami Atha Naivedyam Amrite Amritodbhave Amritavarshini Amritam Shravaya Shravaya Swaha Sri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashivaaya Namaha Nana Vidha Naivedyam Nivedayami Om Somo va etasya rajyamadatte Yo rajasan rajyo vaso me nayasate Devasuva methani havigum shibhavati Ya etavanto vai devanagum savaha Evasmai savan prayachanti Nayanam punastuvante rajyaya Devasuraja bhavati Karpura gauram Karunavataram Samsarasaram Bujahendraharam Sada Vasandam Hridayara Vinde भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परम शिवाय नमः श्री सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परम शिवाय नमः कर्पूर नीराजनं संदर्शयामि रक्षां धारयामि
Paramashiva's message directly from Sri Kailasa. Listen. The scene is always seen based on the frequency and quality of the existence of the seer. Seen is always seen based on the quality of the existence of the seer. The core of the seer chooses the quantity, quality, impact of the scene on himself and on others, who sees as part of his scene. Understand? Even what you think as others is part of your scene. So the base for the existence of your first person, second person, third person, all the three are the seer. So do not try to make the scene absolutely independent of the seer by dissolving the responsibility of the seer and the impact of the seer on the scene, whether first person, second person, or third person. Listen. I'll expand now. Fundamentally, you try to establish the scene is independent of seer so that you can put the responsibility for your life on others. When you realize the truth that seer is responsible for the scene, you need to work, alter, transform, evolve. That's too much of work. You can always say, oh, no. You can always find some false reason why external reasons are responsible, not your internal existence. So fundamentally, you try to build a narrative, grand narrative of the existence is independent of seer. Once you believe this, Once you are convincing, once you are able to convince this false delusory idea within you, then you start blaming, then I am not responsible for what is happening outside. Then he is responsible, she is responsible, everyone. So if your Guru is asking you to look in and find you are responsible, abuse him also. Understand? The fundamental delusion is making the seen independent of the influence of the seer. Then the seer can claim always victimhood. Understand? Unfortunately, the cosmos will make you a victim if you continuously claim victimhood. Fortunately, cosmos will make you a leader if you continuously claim and realize that you are the leader and responsible for everything. That's the beauty of life. That's the beauty of life. Even to cheat others, never ever use victimhood, because you will start believing it and cosmos will say tathastu to it. Never. Never do that mess. Understand? This one curse I will never want even my enemies to have, even people who cherish enmity towards me. I will never want them to have this suffering. Feeling that they are victim of the universe or the cosmos or the humanity or the whole. That's the worst hell. Understand? Never try to believe or build this narrative. You are the victim of life, whole, universe, cosmos, humanity. You are the victim of multiple unknown forces. Never build this narrative. Never collect evidence for this false narrative. That will be the worst hell you put yourself, because you will never be able to come out of it even after multiple births and deaths. Understand, there are some things which can be cleaned by control delete. Means one life over, in the next life you will not carry that smell of it. You will not have that karma, pattern, suffering. But the moment you start building the narrative, seen is independent of the seer, and seer is not responsible for all the sufferings he goes through, good or bad. Seen is independently capable of impacting the seer. All these are the false narratives. I should say false grand narrative. Please do not do this greatest crime to yourself. I will not want even my enemies to suffer this hell. That will be too big punishment. More and more you understand, seer is source of the seen. You become leader. You are empowered. You are empowered. You are empowered. And you start building a beautiful space which is absolutely protected, and you start radiating that sweet powerfulness as your fragrance. Understand? I tell you, what you build consciously inside will give you confidence. I tell you. If you all had the spiritual truths I taught you is enough to run your whole life, even for your economical needs, then you are a Shiva Gana. Because that kind of a strength comes only if that becomes your fragrance. But I tell you, this is not the only one benefit you will get when you take the responsibility for everything seen. Actually, when the more you take the responsibility, your third eye is awake. I tell you. Actually, I'm in a extremely intense samadhi because the Shivaratri is coming. Already from yesterday, that system started getting absolutely sucked into that samadhi. I'll explain this in a very detailed way now. Listen carefully. The fundamental delusion is you casually start believing that the seen is absolutely independent of the seer, which is false. And the false logic, binary logic you start using is, hey, I am seeing A and B in my scene. The A and B also is seeing the same scenes I am seeing. Like for example, person A, person B, my spouse, my kids, my family, all of them I am seeing. I am seeing the ocean and they are also seeing the ocean. So ocean is a reality, which is not the absolute multi-dimensional real logic of life. This is binary logic. Listen, you are forgetting it is the life oozing out of you is only manifesting as your family, friends, relatives, and as a ocean. So your first person, second person, third person, everything is finally permeated by your source person, the seer. First person, second person, third person is a binary logic level understanding, perceptionary definitions developed as language for our day-to-day interaction is no way closer to the reality which exists. Remove the mathematics, remove the language to see the reality. Remove the mathematics, remove the language to see the reality. If you remove mathematics, one huge iron screen is removed. If you remove language, one huge iron shutter is removed. Then you will understand the source person permeates the first person, second person, third person, and the whole scene. Understand? Ability to renounce even the first person to realize the source person is tyaga. Catch it. Ability to renounce even the first person to realize the source person, who is the source of first person, second person, third person, is tyaga. Renounce first person. The false ideas you have about second person and third person is rooted in your false idea about the first person. Renounce the first person to see the source person is what? Ramana Maharshi says, who am I? Renounce the first person to see the source person. I think I should say that source being. Source is neither person nor personality, it's a being. Renounce the first person to experience source person is tyaga. I know. I am elaborating on some great truths. But I wanted you to know I am absolutely practical. I am absolutely practical. Decision to renounce the first person, second person, third person, all the three to see the source person is tyaga. Understanding the influence, impact of the first person on second person and third person. Realizing the enormous impact of first person on second person and third person, realizing the enormous impact of seer on the scene makes you leader. Believing the impact of the scene on the seer makes you victim. Do you want to be a victim after 5 years? Then start believing the impact of the scene on the seer, good, bad, both. Do you want to be the leader after 5 years? Then start believing the impact of the seer on the scene, good, bad. Good, bad does not matter, actually. Even if you believe you are the president of the whole world, many big countries, you are impacted by the scene, you are a victim. You are a victim. Even if you believe you are a rich, famous, but impacted by the scene, believing that you are impacted by the scene, you are a victim. Whether the impact of the scene on you is perceived as a good or bad, that doesn't matter. Whether you believe you are a beggar because of the scene's impact on you, or you believe you are a president because of the scene's impact on you, both doesn't matter. If you are under the impact, if you believe you are under the impact of the scene, you are victim. If you believe The seer is responsible for the scene, whether you are a beggar sadhu or you are president of a nation. That doesn't matter. You are a leader. Understand? If you believe, cognize the impact of the seer on the scene, whether you are a sannyasi or raja, you are raja sannyasi. If you believe the impact of the scene on the seer, you will be a victim, whether you are a homeless or president. From this Shivaratri to next Shivaratri, decide you will cognize the impact of the seer on the scene. Impact of the first person on second person and third person. Then you will realize the impact of the source person on first person. So even the first person is in a way seen, not seer. That's a deeper realization. Then the first person, second person, third person all merge into the source person. I think I said it. I'm so happy I said it. I was feeling that it was stuck, sitting on my head so big that from yesterday, Dvajarohanam, there was an intense samadhi. Yesterday, Dvajarohanam happened, Paramashiva's temple in Adi Kailasa, that Brahmotsavam, Mahaparamashivaratri Brahmotsavam. From that time, Paramashiva was sitting on my head and the whole thing was getting downloaded. Take a vow. This Shivaratri onwards, I will see the power of the seer on the scene and claim my original leader, original Ishwaratva. Understand? The original leader in you is Ishwara. Claiming that original leader Ishwara in you and sacrificing your first person, second person, third person for that, to recognize the original Ishwara is Tyaga. I tell you, I'll give you a simple example. What is Tyaga? Listen carefully. Listen very carefully. In Indian villages, they will cook rice in a pot. Once everything is boiled, they will remove that starch water. Never the pot or the cooked rice feels it is renouncing the starch water. For the food to be tasty, to be used, to be consumed, you need to remove the starch water. Over. It is as simple as procedure. When you grow up from 7 to 17, you need to start driving the real car and drop your toy car. Maybe give it to other kids who are still kids to play. It is just a procedure. It is just existence. It is as simple as that. I tell you, feel oneness with Tyaga. See, listen. When you feel oneness with somebody, you will not even have any shyness or that like a, can I ask this to him? Can I tell this to her? You just know. Eh, me, my extension. I really want all of you in your life to have at least one or two relationship in that kind of a space. I'll give you some example. This cup. Sona gives me this cup. Sona Kamat. And I do not even think second time to ask, hey, tell Sona to get me few more cups. No, I don't even think. Oh, can I ask? How can I ask? And after telling this, I will tell openly, oh, I never ask anything from anybody. I will tell this. Hey, tell Sona to send me few more cups. And then I will tell next statement. I never ask anything from anybody. That is true. Because Sona is not somebody. She is me. Same way, Banu sent a message. She made a beautiful golden pendant of Paramashiva and Parashakti and me. My team, which was presenting the messages to me, they presented that and said, Swamiji, it looks so pretty. Can I find out from Banu where she made, and shall I make like this one for you, Swamiji? I said, who made this? They said, Banu. No, tell Banu to give that to me. That's all I said. I said, tell Banu to give that to me and get it. And after telling that, next statement I will make, I never ask anything from anybody. True. Because Banu is not somebody for me. Banu is me. Sona is not somebody for me. She is me. I tell you, you should have in your life at least one or two relationship of this deep oneness. Then you will understand what I am saying. Have this same space in your day-to-day life, then you will simply know that Tyaga is not removing something from your life, it is expanding to something in your life. I am not person or personality. I am people. Understand? I am not person or personality. I am people. Because I am that, I do not feel my disciples as away from me. Understand? That groundedness gives you such expanded ecstasy. You automatically renounce the first person, second person, third person, fourth person, fifth person, sixth person, all person. I don't know how you will understand. I'll tell Sona, send me a few more cups. And then next statement I'll make, oh, I never ask anything from anybody. That is integrity. Actually, I can tell Sona to send me a few cups. And then next statement I will make, I never ask anybody from anything. If this is the truth, let this power manifest, and that power will manifest. That's the way Vyasa did. Vyasa nicely ate everything the Gopikas were carrying for Krishna. And then he says, if I am fasting, doing Nirjala Yagadasi, oh Yamuna, give way, and Yamuna gives way. That is absolute integrity. Actually, the funny thing, when I told my team who brings the messages to me, I said, hey, Lucer, you tell Banu to send that to me and get it. Then immediately, Banu sends the message, Swamiji, I made it for you only, please. Actually, to whom I said, my team, they did not even send message to Banu. They did not even call and ask. I told, hey, Lucy, you tell Banu and get it. You get the same. Maybe I want to wear for Shivaratri. And then, if needed, let her make more for herself. Then immediately we received the message from her. No, Swamiji, actually, we did not even reach out to her. Before that itself, she sends a message. I made it for you only, Swamiji. That is what I am saying. I will ask Banu, hey, you give me this. And then next statement I will make, no, I never ask anything from anybody. And that is true. And if you make this statement and manifest powers, powers will manifest. Because there is absolute integrity. Because Banu is not other for me. Sona is not other for me. I tell you, in this extreme oneness, first person, second person, third person melting down is Tyaga. I know, how can asking for coffee cup and Paramashiva pendant from some devotee and then claiming that as a Tyaga works out? That's the way multidimensional logic works. Your binary logic does not work in that way. Multidimensional logic works that way only. And fortunately, Cosmos works as per multidimensional logic, not by your binary jinganakadaktuk. So, I always win the game because I know the logic of the universe. That's all. How many Sisubalas, Jarasandas may plan, conspire, Shagunis may try. Jingunuku. Krishna always wins because he knows the cosmic logic, multidimensional logic. Here I am telling, Lucy, You tell Banu to send it. Actually, I did not even use the word. Tell Banu to give it to me and all that. I just said, no, tell Banu to send it. That's all. I just know if it is Banu's, it is mine. And she is me, that's all. And before even she could reach out to Banu, Banu sends a message, Swamiji, I made this for you. Understand? One thing I want to tell you, this is what is the punchline. What I feel, now I gave two examples of two of my devotees. What I feel with them, I feel with the ocean, with Ganga, with Himalayas, with Kailash, with Arunachala, with everything that exists, seen as first person, second person, third person. That is what you need to cognize. I want all my Gurukul kids, Kailasavasis, to understand Tyaga. Tyaga is realizing the seen is extension of the seer, and ability to work on the seer makes you successful in everything in the seen. Skandamata, listen carefully and repeat what I am saying inside you. The seen is extension of the seer. Seen is the extension of the seer. Working on seer is the best way to change the seen. If all my kids, Balasans, Kailasavasis work on this one truth, you are PhD in Vedanta. Even PhDs in Vedanta does not understand this is the real truth. They may be thinking it's one of the philosophy. It's a reality. It's a reality. Now, Yastu sarvani bhutani atmanyeva anuvashyati sarva bhuteshu cha atmanam tatana vichukupsate. One who lives by seeing as it is the whole existence, vyakta avyakta, manifest, unmanifest, everything, existing in the seer, the source person, consciousness itself, and the consciousness existing in the whole existence, thus does not feel violated or hates anything existing by virtue of not seeing oneself as separate from the consciousness. I tell you, you try to understand these two examples. Me asking coffee cup from somebody and gold pendant from somebody, and then claiming that is the Tyaga. And then first of all claiming, after asking the coffee cup and golden pendant, saying, I don't ask anything from anyone. How is that integrity and truth? First understand that. And then calling that as a Tyaga, and then saying To prove that this is Tyaga, I'll manifest powers and it is manifesting. What to do? ஏண்டா எங்களை டீஸ் பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு அளவு இல்லையாடா? நீங்க என்ன சொன்னாலும் வேற இதெல்லாம் நடக்குது. நடக்கிறதுனால நீங்க சொல்றத நாங்க பொய்ன்னு சொல்ல முடியல. இது தாண்டா நோ சுடு நோ சரண். முதல்லாம் பஞ்சு பஞ்சா மட்டும்தான் கொடுப்பீங்க. இப்பெல்லாம் பஞ்சு பஞ்ச கூட பஞ்சு பஞ்சா கட்டி கொடுக்குறீங்களேடா, நாங்க என்னடா பண்றது அப்படின்னு திராவிச கும்பல் ரொம்பவே புலம்புதே. முதல்லாம் வெறும் பஞ்சு மட்டும்தான் கொடுப்பேன், இப்போ பஞ்ச கூட பஞ்சு பஞ்சா கட்டி கட்டி கொடுக்குறோம். All right. Now I really want all of you to understand this multi-dimensional logic. Just like a Zen cone. In Zen there are a lot of cones where you need to sit and contemplate on that cone, and once you realize that cone, you are enlightened. One of the cone like that is in the remote forest where there is no one. If the bamboo falls all by itself, not seen by anyone, heard by anyone, does that bamboo make a sound? This is one of the Zen cone. And what was your face before your birth? What will be your face after your death? This is one of the Zen cone. Like those Zen cones, I'll give you two statements today. How can Swamiji asking teacup from Sona and Paramashiva pendant from Banu and claiming that he never asked anything from anybody? How can this be true? Then, how can asking from them and accepting can be called as Tyaga? Meditate on this cone. If you realize it, you will manifest powers. You will manifest powers. I have one more cone. If a man speaks his mind out in the forest and no woman hears him, is he still wrong? This is the cone for all planning to get married. Please solve this cone before getting married. I am not asking anything from anybody else because Banu and Sona are me. Second, how can this be called as Tyaga? Because I am established in that experience and existence of all of them are me. It is like my right hand putting the food in my tongue makes my tongue taste the food. Not only that, supplies energy to my own right hand to do the work it wants to do. So, me taking a cup or the pendant from me, Banu, and me, Sona, makes both me so happy that they are loved, accepted, sweetly treated, felt as himself, empowers both of them with so much of love, joy, energy, and it is me empowering me by taking something from me and making me feel that I am loved by me. One more me series. Now, when I take the coffee cup from her or the pendant from her, the amount of joy they both feel, I know. Especially when they see that I am using it. I know how they feel like. So, me, by accepting the coffee cup and pendant from me, making me joyful, excited, inspired, and that joy, inspiration, excitement, devotion, feeling connection, make them feel to be one with universal me. End of the day, all that I am wearing and using, all this is just for making all of you happy, feeling connected, enjoy. So you all feel the oneness with the source person. That's it. Each one has the story. Each one of this is love of somebody, devotion of somebody. Joy of somebody. That's all. I also wanted to tell one more thing. Surely I have millions of people with whom I feel oneness, from whom I can take this coffee cup and the pendant because they were just immediately next to me. I gave this example. Those millions with whom I feel oneness, with whom I don't feel separate and I feel, I can take this and start using, and it's literally like I don't even have a second thought. Those are economy of Kailasa. For those, I am your economy. I am the resource for you. I am the source and resource for you. You are the economy of Kailasa, and Kailasa is the source and resource for you. Actually, when I take that cup or pendant from them, they don't feel that they have sacrificed something. They only feel the joy of Tyaga. Swamiji is going to use it. It's going to be on the neck of Swamiji, hanging in the body of the Swamiji, on his own being. The multi-dimensional logic and its existence cannot be beaten down by the binary logic. Understand that. Today I'll plant and make all of you manifest with the grace of Paramashiva this source person who can make you understand Tyaga, which is literally giving up the first person, second person, third person into source person. After a break, I'll lead you all into this. Now listen. Listen to this powerful cognition. Understanding the impact, influence, power of first person over the second person and third person makes you leader. That's the first cognition. Second, realizing your source person and just dropping even the first person, second person, third person is Tyaga. 2 level. The first truth is it will make you successful in the outer world. The second truth will make you successful in the inner world. That's it. Hold these 2 cognitions and sit. Let's start.
கருணார்ணவமாய் கருதக்கதினல்கும் அருணாச்சல சிவமீதா அதுவே தலம் அருணாச்சலம் தலம் யாவிலும் அதிகம் அது பூமியின் இதயம் அறி அதுவே சிவன் இதயம் பதியாமொரு அருணாச்சலம் பதியாம்
ஓம் சிவாய நமः.
நிதம் அருணாச்சலம்
हां हौं शिवाय नमः। ॐ हां हौं शिवाय नमः। ॐ हां हौं शिवाय नमः। शे 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 ॐ हां हौं शिवाय नमः। शिवाय नमः। शाम्भवी कुंडलिनी कुलकुंडलिनी, wake up in everybody, receive the mantra. Om Ham Haum Shivaya Namah. 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 Shiva 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 Shiva. Om Ham Haum Shivaya Namah. 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 Shiva 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 Shiva. Kundalini Paramba Harsiddhi Gatkalika Mahamayi. Wake up in everybody here. Wake up in everybody here and receive the mantra. Om Ham Haum Shivaya Namah. 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 शिवाय नमः ॐ हां हौं 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 शिवाय नमः शिव 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 कुंडलिनी wake up. Receive this mantra. Let this mantra vibrate in everybody. Let the Shivoham become reality for everybody. Shiva, 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 Shivoham, Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham.
துளைவாய் தூர்ந்த துறப்பு அமையாணி எந்நாள் திங்கள் வடிவிற்று ஆகி அந்நாளில்லா அமைவரு வருவாய் பாம்பு அனந்தன்ன ஓங்கு திருமறு பின்னாய் ஆய்கொடி கடுக்கும் கண்கூடு இருக்கை தின்பிணித்துவின் ஆய்தினை அரிசி அவையல் அண்ணன் வேய்வை போகிய விரலுரல் நரம்பின்
Om Ham Haum Shivaya Namah Om Ham Haum Shivaya Namah Om Ham Haum Shivaya Namah Om Ham Haum Shivaya Namah
தொடையல் மாதரை மண்ணிய
Om Ham Haum Shivaya Namah
காட்சியார் அலைகள் விட
Om Ham Haum Shivaya Namah Shambhavi Kundalini Kula Kundalini. Wake up in everybody. Receive the mantra. Om Ham Haum Shivaya Namah 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 Shiva 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 Om Ham Haum Shivaya Namah 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 Om Ham Haum ஓம் ஹாம் ஹௌம் சிவாய நமः. ஓம் ஹாம் ஹௌம் சிவாய நமः. ஓம் ஹாம் ஹௌம் சிவாய நமः. शिव 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 कुंडलिनी परांबा காணாத பேர் ஹர்சித்தி காமதேகம் கட்காளிகா இடைக்கலையில் ஏரவா மகாமாயி wake up in everybody wake up in everybody and receive the mantra Om Ham Haum Shivaya Namah. 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 குதிரை மட்டம் ஓம் ஹாரத்திலே விடுக்காதே சத்தம் தன்னை சிவாய நீரையாயிரண்டிது ஓம் ஹாம் ஹௌம் சிவாய ஓம் ஹாம் ஹௌம் சிவாய நமः. 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 அருமையுள்ள என் மகன் என்று அழைக்கலாமே.
ஓம் சிவ 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 ஓம் சிவ 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 சங்கரா. ஓம் சிவ 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 ஓம் சிவ சிவ சிவ
சிவ சிவ சிவ
சிவ சிவ சிவ
சிவ
சிவ சிவ சங்கரா.
குண்டலினி
ஓம் சிவ 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 ஓம் சிவ 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 சங்கரா.
wake up receive this mantra. Let this mantra vibrate on everybody here. Let the Shivoham become reality for everybody here. Shiva 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 Shivoham Shivoham Sada Shivoham Sada Shivoham Sada Shivoham Sada Shivoham Sada Shivoham Sada Shivoham.
இளப்பவிவன் பேச்சையடி கடிதானாகும். ஏதுக்கு சொல்லுகிறோ இனிமேல்தானே.
शिवाय नमः। ॐ हां हौं शिवाय नमः। ॐ हां हौं शिवाय नमः। शे शे शे। ॐ हां हौं शिवाय नमः। शिवाय नमः। शांभवी कुंडलिनी कुलकुंडलिनी, wake up in everybody, receive the mantra. Om Ham Haum Shivaya Namah. 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 Shiva 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 Shiva. Om Ham Haum Shivaya Namah. 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 Shiva 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 Shiva. Kundalini Paramba हरसिद्धि गटकालिका महामाई. Wake up in everybody here. Wake up in everybody here and receive the mantra. Om Ham Haum Shivaya Namah. 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 शिवाय नमः। ॐ हां हौं शिवाय नमः। ॐ हां हौं शिवाय नमः। ॐ हां हौं शिवाय नमः। Shiva, 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 Kundalini, Kundalini. Wake up, wake up. Receive this mantra. Let this mantra vibrate in everybody here. Let the Shivoham become reality for everybody here. Shiva, 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 Shivoham, Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham.
अंधेरे में जो ढेर मुर्दा पेड़ों का सुलग गया झुलग गया कांट ही के ढेर में वो ढेर जीव जन्म का लो जल गया धुआं हुआ लो स्वाहा स्वाहा राख है डमरुओं को डमडमाता कूद नाचे कूद कूद डमरुओं को डमडमाता कूद नाचे कूद कूद मस्तकों में माया माया चटचटकती खटखटकती भटभटकती नाचती छातियों में ताई ताई झनझनकती झंझनकती सुलगती त्रासदी योजनाएं यम बनाता
In everybody, receive the mantra. Om Ham Haum Shivaya Namah. 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 Shiva, 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 Shiva. Om Ham Haum Shivaya Namah. 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 Shiva, 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 शिव शिव कुंडलिनी परांबा हरसिद्धि गटकालिका महामाई wake up in everybody here. Wake up in everybody here and receive the mantra. Om Ham Ham Shivaya Namah. 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 Shiva, 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 Kundalini, wake up, wake up. Receive this mantra. Let this mantra vibrate in everybody here. Let the Shivoham become reality for everybody here. Shiva, 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 Shivoham, Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham.
வீசுத்தென்றலும் வீங்கிடவேனிலும் மூசுவண்டரை பொய்கையும் போன்றதே ஈசன் எந்த இணையடி நிழலே மாசிவே மாலை மதியம்.
Om Ham Ham Shivaya Namah. Om Ham Ham Shivaya Namah. Om Ham Ham Shivaya Namah. Om Ham Ham Shivaya Namah.
ஞானமும் கல்வியும் நம நமச்சிவாய அறிவிச்சையும்
Om Ham Ham Shivaya. Om Nityananda Govinda Paramashivoham. So from today, all the Kailasavasis, Adinavasis start doing 11-time puja till Shivaratri to manifest the power of Tyagaraja and to discover the powers of Tyagaraja. Start doing 11-time puja till Shivaratri. All devotees can do just only on Shivaratri 11 times puja. Let's do it. So today birthday blessing for Ma Nitya Suganyanananda. Susima from Malaysia, Nitya Suganyanananda, birthday blessings. Blessings to all of you guys. So nice. And so with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam. Living and radiating state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness and Sri Kailasa of Paramashiva, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.